I got 2 dozen live shrimp. Just throw into the boil. Ooh, ooh, that's good. That's a good fish. Hey everyone, CPO here, and in this video, I'm going to bring you along on a fishing trip with me that I did yesterday morning. That was Saturday, August 5th, 2023. I spent about 4 hours or so in Tampa Bay, just outside of E.G. Simmons Park. First, I need to make sure I get a nice photo for Facebook so that I can ask everyone to wish me luck. Yeah, I had a plan to go out and hit the grass flats. I got 2 dozen live shrimp and my regular tackle box, which is mostly soft plastics and a few hard baits. And I decided I would start out right here in this little cove right before I get out into the open water. I thought I would try some top water action. It's early, the sun is just rising over the horizon there. But yeah, I didn't get a single hit off of the top water, so maybe I just don't know how to do it well enough. But while we're here, I'll show you where I'm at, sort of off Tampa Bay. On the east side there is E.G. Simmons Park, and then there's a little point here at the end with a traffic circle with a little beach, and that's where I took off from, and then just went straight out from there into the bay. But I caught a lot of fish. I got 4 different species of fish, ladyfish, and then eventually I started getting into the trout. Lots of trout, lots of ladyfish, and a little bit of a surprise from a couple, actually I think 4 Spanish mackerel. I caught 2, which you'll see in this video, and then I also had a visit from a catfish. As you'll see, it was a really slow start, but I hung in there. And eventually I got into some really exciting action. And even when I thought I was about ready to quit and go back in, I'd catch another nice fish and then I'd end up just staying. So here you go, guys. Enjoy this little journey with me. These guys, Slam Shady 2.0s. Something small is trying. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Oh no. Don't get my line all messed up. That'll be a cane pole. Don't want that. Those are little ladyfish. That's not what I'm after. I'm at about 4 feet of water here, so I think I'm gonna pin in. Just pin up front here. That way I can fish this spot without drifting away. But yeah, another little lady. That was a decent lady, actually. They're fun to fish. Bet I can get another one pulling right through there. Yeah, there we go. Oh, dang it. Oh, wait. This is crazy. I'm definitely in the right place because every cast is getting a hit, even if it's little guys. This one's not gonna let himself go. There you go. Get out of here. All right, I think I might move closer to the channel. Well, a few more casts out here. And I'll move to a new spot. Went from a ladyfish on every cast to nothing. I'd rather catch ladyfish than nothing. So I'm not catching anything out here. I am tempted to go back to where the ladyfish were and wait it out for trout. Back on the spot I was before. It's another lady. There's got to be trout in here, right? If there's ladyfish, isn't that how it works? Man, there are all kinds of fish in here. Where are the big boys, though? Oh, come on. Jump off. Jump off. You can do it. You can do it. Jump off. No? There you go. I see some fish boiling up here. There's one. Just throw into the boil. Oh yeah, trout, finally. Finally got me a trout. There we go. Not bad. All right, so now I know that that's trout feeding over there. I'm gonna stake in right here. What I need to do is get a shrimp on. I still have this rigged up with a bobber and a circle hook. Right up in here. I have a feeling this isn't going to take very long. Okay, it took longer than I thought. He's off it. Now he's on it. There we go. That was a fish, actually. Another trout. Yep, ladyfish. Nope, that's a trout. I'll be darned. Meanwhile, I believe I have one over here. Yep. Oh, ladyfish. Yay! Thanks for coming off. Oh yeah, this is a trout. Instantly. Oh, that's ladyfish. Dude. There we go. That feels like maybe a better little trout. Yeah. I hear ya. I hear you, buddy. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. There we go. Nice guy. That little hole right there is producing some trout. There it goes. Oh, and it's also producing ladyfish. Oh, dolphin right there. Oh, sorry. He's probably coming to see what I'm doing. See those bait fish jumping? Something is chasing them around, and I would like to be in the middle of that action. Cool thing about live bait under a bobber is I can sit and have a little bit of a rest and a drink and still be fishing. I think I'm gonna get one more fish out here, and then I'm gonna head up to shore. Try and see if I can get into the mangroves. Oh, there goes my, ooh, that was good. That's a good fish. There's the dolphin. Yeah, this is a way better fish. Yep. Gonna net this guy. Oh no, that is a mackerel. Look at that. Spanish mac with the teeth and all. Hold on. Mackerel on the shrimp. Go. There he goes. Get out of here before the dolphin gets you. Woo! That was awesome. There we go. Another little trout, I think. Yep. Come here, fella. There you go. I mean, that got taken as soon as it hit the water. Oh, ladyfish. Oh no! Wait. Yeah, that's a lady. Trout ain't got no energy like that. There's a fish. Another little trout. Little fella. It's all right. I'm gonna let you go. Come here. Decent little trout. Come here. Keep trying, buddy. Oh, a catfish. I've been catfished. Oh. Just about to get a drink. This is a little trout. There we go. Oof. Something broke me off. So by this point, the heat of the day was really coming on strong, and both of my cameras kept overheating. So I didn't get any video footage of this particular catch. This was the second Spanish mackerel that I landed. And knowing that I didn't have any cameras running, I did stop and grab a selfie with my cell phone. Yeah, this is all I have of this one. This was the second landed, and I believe the fourth catch. Those other two that broke off, obviously, I believe also to have been Spanish mackerel. Anyway, that's it. This is the fish. You remember I was like getting ready to leave, and then I caught a Spanish mackerel. This is the fish that kept me hanging out in this particular spot because I wanted to catch more of these guys. This is me getting my cardio in on the way back to the car. It's actually quite a workout. I highly recommend. Man, I caught 2 Spanish mackerel. I know I had at least 2 others on because they broke off on me with their stupid teeth. I'm pretty sure those are my 2 break-offs. A bunch of ladyfish, bunch of trout, and a catfish. Like, that's not a bad morning. I had fun. And I found fish, which, you know, that's half the battle. So I left fish, I found fish, I left fish, and then I went back to fish. Like, I found them and then I didn't find them, so I went back to them. The only thing I didn't do, which I was gonna try and do, was come over here and hit the mangroves. But I was having so much fun out there in the flats and basically just used up all my shrimp playing with the trout and the ladyfish and the Spanish mac. Anyway, I think I need to do a redfish specific day where I go hit the mangroves, redfish and snook. Because once I get out in the flats, when I get on fish, I don't really want to leave. So yeah, that's the struggle. The struggle is real. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.